From Plaza 4th taxi, Juliet, hold short runway 22 right.
Juliet, and confirm hold for right.
Short runway 22 right. When you approach runway 2 kilo. Jazz 554, I call, cross CT right, continue right Bravo, mod for 121.9. Cross CT right, I call, right up Bravo, autograph, Jazz 554, good.